Did you know that roughly 10% of all homes sold each year are sold without using a real estate agent? Yes, I'm a real estate agent, but I completely understand you. As a matter of fact, I would probably do the same if I were you. But where do you actually start? In this video I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step process to get your home actually sold. These steps are all equally important to sell your house without using a realtor, so make sure to watch till the end. The first thing you want to do is you want to price your home correctly. What is the first thing people do when they want to buy a house? They go to the bank or to the lender and they see how much house they can actually afford. Even though your house is perfect and has a lot of updates, it may go unnoticed because the price is too high. And I'm not saying you should underprice your property. You should find that sweet spot where it's actually the fair price for the buyer to pay to live in your neighborhood. So how do you actually determine the price? Well, you do the CMA, which stands for Comparative Market Analysis. You can use Realtor.com or Zillow to see what houses have sold in your neighborhood in the past few months, and from those sales you can determine your list price. But also keep in mind that the market has changed maybe since those sales. And make sure to check out the competition to see what similar homes are currently on the market in your neighborhood. You as a seller have to understand that the days on the market are probably your biggest enemy. Let's say, for example, Bob and Sue are looking to buy a house, and they come to your house and it's been only one day on the market. They look at each other and they say, honey, this house is perfect for us. It's close to schools, close to highway, has everything we need. What do you think they're going to offer? Well, probably over asking or asking to make sure they get the house. Let's say the same couple comes to your house after 2 months on the market and 3 price reductions. They love the house and it's finally in their price range. But they're concerned because it's been 60 days on the market, maybe something is wrong. What do you think they're going to offer? That's right, they're probably going to try to negotiate under asking because you as a seller, you just lost leverage being that long on the market. After you have some price in mind, the first thing you want to do is you want to tell your friends, family, neighbors that you are looking to sell your house, and you can ask them, do they know anyone that is looking to live in your neighborhood? Many homes are sold before they are actually listed, and if you're lucky you can be one of them. The next step is prepare your home for sale. Speaking of this, you should check out my video on what things you shouldn't fix before selling a house. So you want to clean and declutter your home. This is gonna make it more attractive to potential buyers. This is completely free and it doesn't cost you anything. The next step is filling out the property disclosures. This is extremely important when selling your house. Disclose any known defects or problems with the property, such as leaks, structural damage, or any similar things, so you can avoid any legal problems in the future. So now your house is clean, you have some listing price in mind, you filled out the property disclosures. The next step is to take the professional pictures. How do people shop for homes nowadays? They go online and the first thing they see are the photos. This is gonna make your home appear much more attractive, and all the people that wanna buy the house and other real estate agents are gonna take you more seriously. It only costs a couple of $100s to get them, and this is probably going to be the biggest return on your money when selling your house. I don't get people who are looking to sell their house for a top dollar and they're using their phone to take pictures. I mean, it doesn't make any sense. Even the newest iPhone cannot compare to professional photos and professional editing. The next step is, and this is where the fun actually begins, and that's to officially list your house. Your job is to try to reach as many people as you can. List your house on Zillow, Facebook, Trulia, and put a sign in the yard so people going by will know that you are looking to sell your house. When you list a house on Zillow, expect to be crushed with calls from real estate agents, wholesalers, insurance agents. Everyone is gonna be calling you. My biggest advice I give to people when they're looking to sell their house for sale by owner is to get one of those burner numbers, for example Google Voice. So every time somebody is calling you, you will know it's about the house. You never want to put your personal cell phone number online. The best thing you can do to get more pre-qualified buyers is to schedule an open house first week when you list a property. One thing you also want to do when you're holding an open house, you want to make a list of everyone who is coming in and out. And if it's an agent, just ask them for their license numbers so you would know they are legit. Also use that list to follow up with your potential buyers. The next thing you should consider, and this is probably the last thing you want to hear when you're selling a house without a real estate agent, offer some buyer's agent commission. Many people don't know that Zillow actually works with real estate agents, and real estate agents are paying for leads. So anytime somebody schedules a tour, they're going to be directed to the agent that is paying for leads in that area. At the time of this recording, it's usually free for the buyers to use a real estate agent when they're buying their home. So you giving commission to the buyer's agent is gonna incentivize the buyer's agents to show the house. Once you have buyers they wanna make an offer, ask to see their pre-approval letter, or even better, if it's a cash offer, ask them to see proof of funds. After that you can negotiate. And remember to hire a real estate attorney. They will help you make the contract and they will also navigate the escrow process. This can be beneficial as they will be on your side and look for your best interest. One thing you want to do, and this is extremely important, and that is subscribing to my channel, because I make these kind of videos all the time. The next step is accepting the offer. After you accept the offer, buyers will have their inspection in most of the cases, and it's usually 7 to 10 days after you go under contract. Oftentimes the offer price is not the final price, as buyers will use the inspection report as a leverage to negotiate the price even lower or to ask you for some closing cost credits. And you may be thinking, well, there is nothing wrong with my house, but trust me, inspection can find problems even in the brand new house. And it doesn't have to be any major problem, but the buyers are going to use that, like I said, as a leverage to negotiate. After the inspection contingency is removed, the buyers will have their appraisal. The appraisal will provide an opinion of the property's value, which is used by the lender to determine how much money they are willing to loan the borrower. Again, this doesn't apply if it's a cash sale, but in both cases, when everything is said and done, the title company is going to call you to schedule a closing. That would be the final step in this process, and congratulations, you just sold your home for sale by owner. If your home is not selling, do not be embarrassed to ask for professional help from real estate agents. This doesn't mean you failed. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to post them in the comments. And if you find the value in this video, do not forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.